What's up, my crypto legends? In today's episode, we're taking a look at Bitcoin because we are hitting a major resistance from this descending wedge, and we're also hitting the support of $45,000, turning into massive resistance. Now, we need to see a breakout very soon. I'm going to explain what could happen in today's episode. We're taking a look at the S&P 500 because the S&P 500 is hitting a super strong resistance. Are we going to see a massive crash because we broke out from this major support of this uptrend? We'll be discussing this in today's episode, guys. Thank you very much for my last video with crypto and up. Over 1,000 likes. Make sure to smash up the like button. Let's try and get this video to also 1,000 likes. We're going to take a look at Ethereum because Ethereum forming this kind of double bottom scenario, and we are hitting a major resistance zone. If we do manage to break it with very nice volume, I'm going to show you the potential targets in today's episode. Remember, if you're interested in trading, PrimeXBT has got the best bonus available for day trading. You get up to 50%, okay, by using my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. 50% added to your deposit. Bybit, my favorite swing trading platform, you can get up to $600 by using my link in the description. Guys, let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin, crypto, and I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I also do live streams to connect with the community. Now, zooming in here on BTC on the 4 hourly, okay, it is pretty clear. I do see a very bearish scenario in the immediate short term, unless we see massive volume kicking in, breaking this major resistance, okay? You know the deal. I'm going to stick, okay, with my analysis. Remember, I've been saying this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, and we are inside of this ABC correction. Inside of this ABC correction, I believe there has been 5 waves, and we potentially haven't finished the 5th wave, okay? We might see another dip. This being the ABC correction, okay? As you can see, the A and then the B, and now this is the C, and the C is just having a consolidation in this 4th wave to finish the 5th wave, potentially hitting $30,000 or just below $40,000. Okay, we are hitting a major resistance, which is the $45,000 range. I am adding $1,000 because of the volatility, guys. Remember, we did manage to get above $44,000 and then had this massive drop, very much predicted. Now, this is the problem right now. We are hitting this major resistance that has been heavy support in the past, which is $45,000. We are also hitting the major resistance here from this descending wedge right now. What do I think is going to happen? Well, if we do not see in the next coming hours a huge amount of volume from this breakout, we could potentially see a fake out from this range. Make sure to check out the volume on different exchanges such as Bybit, Coinbase, or depending on how much volume there is going to be. If there is going to be a breakout, then this will be a legit breakout. Any type of retracement would be good to potentially enter a trade, at least to retest the high from a breakout, right? So that would be my bullish case scenario in the immediate short term. I do not see the bulls trying to fight, though. The volume is going lower and lower from this retracement, guys, okay? Check out the massive dump that we did have right over there. Okay, volume is pretty high. Now it is time for the bulls to show the bears that they have strength. And look what is happening. The volume is going lower and lower, as you can see. Now this is the moment going sideways, having this retracement. Are the bulls showing any signs of fighting? No, they are not. So what is the most likely scenario? Getting a massive rejection here for another dip to the downside. Okay, that is the most probable scenario when we take a look at price action and volume. The trend is going down here for the last 4, take a look at the 4 hourly, the 1 hourly, the trend is down, okay? We are still in this correction. So any type of retracement, when the volume is going down, the most likely scenario is getting a massive a dip, okay? Having another retest at the $40,000 range. This is the problem when we're hitting resistance and we do not see the bulls fighting with high volume. It is likely that we will get that major dip. And why will we get that major dip? Also because we can see the S&P 500 is at a critical level, guys. We did manage to print a new lower low instead of a higher low. As you can see here, we were in a massive uptrend since the beginning of 2021, creating higher lows here on the macro, on the 4 hourly chart. Now it's been the first time that we've gone below this higher low, right? So we have gone below this higher low. We're having that retracement, hitting a major resistance zone, guys. Be super cautious. Now the last hope here for the S&P 500 would be coming dipping and retesting this low, creating a double bottom and potentially having, you know, that double bottom V-shaped recovery, because there's a lot of bearish sentiment, guys, on the market. Do I think this is going to have a V-shaped recovery? There is a possibility. We have seen it before many times on the S&P 500, but as you can see, in this case, you know, this was a double bottom scenario. We recovered, continued to the upside, so that is also a very high possibility that we do create a double bottom. But we have broken major structure, created a lower low, guys, and yeah, if we do have bearish sentiment on the S&P 500, it is very likely that it will affect Bitcoin also to the downside. Now, if we do manage to print that double bottom scenario for the S&P 500 right over here, then I see that case, this case for BTC potentially dropping below 40,000, hitting 38, 37,000, and then going sideways. And this might be the best moment to place some long orders on BTC. Now, this is something that we're going to take a look in the next coming days, guys. Let's take a look at Ethereum here quickly, guys, because Ethereum is also printing this bullish pattern. I've seen many analysts talking about this, but this is not bullish at all, unless BTC and the S&P 500 has a massive blast off to the upside, because we are hitting this critical resistance here on Ethereum. As you can see, this is the $3,150. It has been an insane support here in the past. As you can see, as soon as we broke this support, it has been such a huge resistance area that unless we do break it to the upside, okay, with some very nice volume depending on BTC and Ethereum, be careful with fake outs, guys. We want to see nice volume and a pretty decent price action to the upside. If we did manage to break the resistance nicely, BTC being bullish, then this would be the measured move. You get the width, okay, from this double bottom scenario, and we could go as high as $3,500. But this is very unlikely, in my opinion, by looking at the S&P 500 and BTC at this current moment. So what would be the most likely scenario? The most likely scenario would be getting a rollover from 3,150, potentially coming back down to tackle just below $2,700, especially when we see, you know, the price of Ethereum going down here with volume. We did see the second attempt with some pretty bearish volume over here. Now we're having that retracement to the upside and the volume is going down, meaning that we are giving, you know, we are opening the doors for the bears to have another push down, guys. This is what I am reading here by looking at the charts with the volume. Pretty simple. Price action, technical analysis, no indicators whatsoever, guys. Straight to the point. And guys, thank you very much. This is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to smash up the like button and check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got the latest news and technical analysis. We've got exchange reviews to find out where the best bonuses and the best exchanges fees are. So check it out, guys. Down below, the link in the description. If you haven't seen my Bybit and my PrimeXBT tutorial to learn how to trade on those platforms, there's a video on the screen, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you later.